Hello people, I know it's been a while since I've recorded a video, but I'm playing Roblox today and there's been an update to Beast Farm Simulator. The Cyber Monday bundle containing a mythic egg, 250 tickets, 50 stingers, 10 loaded dice, 10 glitters, 5 night bells, a black balloon and an atomic treat. And there's also 15 ticket passes available. Which, honestly, that's not as important to me, but hey, it's free stuff, so I'm just gonna go ahead and buy it. And there will be 2 new videos coming out soon, I think, but I'm not sure yet. But I'm just gonna say there's some hints in my inventory. Just a few. Just a few. Anyways, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you at Beesmas, if I record beforehand.